Hello, this is your girl Photoshoptutorial and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today and I'm going to teach you guys how to make 2 Halloween inspired outfits. This is going to be very simple and easy, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, but I also want to say that I want to thank my subscribers for, supporting the channel. Please, please, please comment below if you have any questions or concerns or whatnot. I will answer them all if I can. Again, there's certain questions that have been asked. I do not do custom chains. I do not do custom chains at all. But I will send you a link to the person that does custom chains. They can teach you how to do custom chains on their YouTube channel. Mine's, I'm not going to teach you guys how to make custom chains. I only teach you how to make basic chains, not custom name chains. I don't do custom chain items at all. That's not my field. I'm going to teach you guys how to do things that I know how to do. If I don't know how to do it, I will send you in another direction. But thank you guys for supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video.